In this video, I want to take you through the steps for installing your reverse osmosis air gap bypass kit. Included with the kit is 1 1/4-inch check valve and 1 1/4-inch drain saddle with nuts and bolts. Step 1 is to turn off the water flow at the shutoff valve. Next, we need to turn off the tank valve. Next, we need to cut the white and black line as high as we can towards the bottom of the faucet. Next, we need to remove the compression nut and white line from the drain saddle. Now we can unscrew and remove the 3/8 drain saddle from the piping. Because we're using an existing hole, I'm going to make a couple of reference marks for myself. The first one showing the center of the hole, and next I'm going to line up half of the drain saddle and mark the top, so that way I know I'm getting the hole in the right place. Next, we need to install the new 1/4-inch drain saddle. At this point, I'm just snugging up the drain saddle. I'll fine tune it later and completely tighten it with a hand screwdriver. Next, I need to cut off about 6 inches from the black line to use later. For video purposes, I colored in the arrow on the check valve. This is very important as we need to point that arrow of the check valve in the direction of the drain saddle. Now I will insert the long part of the black tubing into the back end of the check valve and install the 6-inch piece that we cut off into the front end of the check valve. Now I can install the entire tube into the drain saddle. All of these connections are what's called push to connect. So all you have to do is fully seat it and it's secured. Now I'm going to use the hand screwdriver and reference my marks to get the drain saddle in the proper orientation. With the bypass now installed, we can turn the water to the system back on at the shutoff, as well as turn on the tank valve. Your system is now ready for use. If you have questions on installing your air gap bypass, give us a call at 888-614-5559.